Hey guys, me Matthias, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to be watching Queen Regine sing Come On In Out of the Rain. I kept getting asked to watch this song and I can't wait to see it. Here we go. I love that haircut. Maybe I'll grow my hair out so I can look like that. I like the rain effect. They really went all out, didn't they? Keep smiling, keep shining. I don't know, this sounds like that's what friends are for to me. Oh, I'm loving this build up. Toss that hair. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at that power stance. Woo! She's gonna start earth bending. Ooh. It just looks so easy for her. I think the reason why it looks so easy for her is because she doesn't like move her eyebrows up when she's singing. Oh, she just did it. Oh, I loved it. I loved it. I think the reason why it looks so easy for her is because her eyes are always relaxed, and you know when some people are straining to sing, they lift their eyebrows up really big. But she doesn't do that. She's always like, ooh, I got this, this is easy for me. She took me on a journey. I want to get inside, I want to get out of that rain, I want to get in her house. I bet her house smells really good. I don't know why, I feel like it smells like cinnamon. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye!